Maybe that was more of their sentiment this time around.
Yeah,
you got wiggle room. YouTube, what is up? So today I've got my son here. He bought the Switch. Somewhat. Yeah, well, I covered taxes.
Cool.
The Switch 2, which he said, hey Dad, why don't we unbox it together?
Yeah, sort of a semi-payment for buying it. Partially.
Yeah, he was like, if you cover the rest of it, I'll let you unbox it. As a matter of fact, I'll even sweeten the pot, and I'll do it with you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you got this off of Nintendo.
Nintendo themselves. They did a whole invite, and I was in line, and recently, I was like last week, got the email saying that I could pre-order.
How much was it? $4.99?
It was $500. To be more specific, the Switch 2 itself is $450, but it came with Mario Kart World.
Regular games are like $80.
This one is 80.
Yeah, so actually you get the bundle, you get Mario Kart for $50 essentially, which is a pretty good deal. Looking at the Switch 2, it includes the full
Mario Kart World
downloadable game.
Yeah.
And what else we got? There's Switch 2 comes with
the dock.
The dock.
It's pretty much the basic stuff.
The basic stuff here. And Nintendo, and then down here there's a bunch of warnings and whatnot.
Mainly info stuff.
Mainly info stuff. So
yeah,
to open it, I think all we have to do is pop
right there,
right here. I think right there. Maybe it'll. There you go.
There we go.
Flip it.
Flip it. Yeah, that makes sense.
There you go.
Yeah, and there's a little setup here, so we'll have to do that later.
So you got the Joy-Cons.
The two Joy-Cons, which are new and improved.
New and improved with those little magnetics, right?
Yes, and
and anytime you get any plastic, and you just kind of at the camera.
Just throw it. Okay.
Well, no, you're supposed to throw it at the camera.
Oh, over there.
Yeah. Right. So there's the Joy-Cons. Those feel
a lot bigger.
A lot bigger.
That's what she said.
Main screen right
here. The main
here.
screen, which is also a lot bigger.
Yeah, a lot bigger and has a lot more pixel resolution.
I still want to get a screen protector. What else we got here in the box?
Should be the dock and cables. Yeah, here's some of the cables. This is.
And then we got the download thing for the game.
We're gonna just keep that out of frame.
Safety first, kids.
Yeah.
And then some instructions. Who needs instructions?
We're gonna need it later, but center HDMI
cables, and then it's got these things.
These are little attachments that let you on the other Joy-Cons when you have them independent. This is what these are. So they snap on.
And that way you can use it as a mouse too, right?
Yes, that's another new feature.
Check this out.
Put your hand on it and move it around the table a bit.
That's pretty cool. And then look at that brick.
That is a good-sized charging brick. It's a lot smaller than the one we have.
Yeah, I'm trying to see. I can't.
AC adapter.
Does it say what watts or voltage or? Should be there somewhere.
Yeah, and also another thing to note with the Joy-Cons.
What?
This little button right here
detaches it.
Since it's all magnetic, so.
Right. I like magnets.
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
And then you've got USB Type-C to USB Type-C.
Yeah.
Which that's a USB Type-C
yeah.
charger. The dock.
Here we go. 100 to 240 volts.
Oh, nice.
So.
There you go.
Actually pretty decent.
Yeah. And there's the Switch 2
dock, which we also have here.
Right.
The old one.
We have the old one too to compare. All right, so let's clean up our mess here. Just set that off to the side. The screen. The dock.
Grips for the Joy-Cons.
Grips for the Joy-Cons. And those just pop in here.
And it should.
Oh, wow.
It's strong magnets. It is very strong magnet.
He ain't lying.
Yeah, and then there's the little release on the back.
Yeah, right there. Okay, so it's not on these, but I saw on the Pro controllers, they actually now come with, you know how some controllers have buttons on the back of the grip?
Oh, paddles?
Paddles, yes. The Pro controllers have them, but it doesn't look like these ones have.
Yeah.
which I don't mind.
Well, let's go ahead. So here's the old one. This is not the OLED. This is the original.
The original, like the very first one.
The very first one, and you can tell.
Yeah. So then one of the main differences is obviously no
the
magnet, the slide.
And if you put it in there backwards or upside down,
it wouldn't work.
Yeah, it could get stuck.
Yeah. So, a few noticeable things. First off, this button. This is the chat button. This is a new one.
Oh,
basically,
new chat button.
Basically, you activate this and you get to open what is essentially Nintendo's version of Discord.
Oh, okay.
And talk with others. And a few other things with if you bring up the back. Like flip it over.
Yeah.
The stand.
The stand, right. This one just had the little
The
little stand where your SIM card would go.
And with this one, it not only is a full one,
but yeah,
it can go pretty much farther than the other one.
Right.
And another nice feature is that if you look at the top, it has a charging port.
It has a charging port.
This one,
up top.
the old one,
It
doesn't.
does not. It was only on
The bottom, which, let's be real.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
This one has both, right?
Both, yeah.
Bottom.
One on the bottom, one on the top, which
That's cool.
much nicer.
Let's take the controllers off, and I want to compare screen sizes.
Yeah.
So, and then we can compare Joy-Con sizes.
Yeah.
There's,
It is.
That's
Oh,
huge. I mean, and look at the bezel
so
on
do
that. Yeah.
That should be good there, gold.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So yeah, it's a lot bigger.
Yeah. And I wonder, I mean, I know we haven't turned it on yet, but the bezels. It just looks, because this one, you can see the bezels on this.
Oh, the
Which makes
screen edges.
The screen edges, right.
Yeah.
So that makes it look that much more smaller.
That's what you...
Yeah, it really does.
Yeah.
Right, another thing to know, micro SD cards, you'll need a new one. Like a complete new one for this. You can't use
really?
these original Switch.
Just trying to, you can kind of see a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does still have bezel. Like the old one, you
Go
can't
ahead,
see
turn
it.
it back off real quick, because that's probably the introduction thing.
Right. Let's take a look at the Joy-Con differences here.
These ones were really small, so look,
Those are a lot.
bigger. These
A
new
lot
ones,
bigger.
yeah. And if you go in and grip one of the older ones real quick,
Right.
like this with your own hands, just to show.
Yeah, no, I remember
Yeah.
trying to play with these.
Yeah,
It was
is
not
comfortable. It's not easy
But
by a long shot.
this actually fits
a lot better.
you know.
It's
This
like
is-
it's
this
like
is like
a
for baby hands, and this is more of an adult hand.
It's crazy that you knew that.
this is a lot bigger in
Yeah.
terms of controller size.
Now, I did see a thing to where people were concerned about this thing holding up, with all the taking on and off with the magnet, but it has a little give to it.
yeah,
So
that
it really
should work.
it should work. They've ran some tests. I've seen some videos on it, and it does really well.
Yeah.
And it pops in there nice.
Did you put away the grips, the
Oh.
edge grips as well, or probably brought the old ones, if I'm being honest, but because the old ones were a bit more bulkier, but these are a lot thinner.
Yeah.
For the most part, because these ones sort of added like a sort of curve to it.
Well, you can even see here.
Yeah, you could kind of
difference.
see the difference
Yeah.
there really well.
Yeah. But yeah, I like this new one. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool. Oh, let's show the
Dock.
the dock. And this was a good idea with the sliders, but the magnets is where it's at.
The magnets are a lot better. Pretty good too.
Yeah.
Can you dig it?
Probably one of the. Oh.
Oh,
It's-
you broke it.
No, I didn't. It completely comes off. Oh. Which I don't mind a bit.
Oh, just hold on a second. What is it?
So it slides in, and then
What is that for?
this is where the cords go. Oh. This is where
it's like cable management.
Yeah.
Okay.
But basically, if you bring up the bag, pop open the back, it's kind of, you can kind of see there. So that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and the fan here, I assume would be the fan.
Right.
Is a lot bigger because if you can really tell, it is a lot bigger.
Yeah, this is a lot bigger.
And to be fair, that makes sense since this, theoretically speaking, has a lot more horsepower than the standard dock.
Yeah, and then back here, you've got the AC adapter. That's where you get the power, HDMI, and then you can connect right into the internet.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
For the LAN. I don't know.
I think the old one has that actually.
Does it have
AC, USB, and HDMI?
Oh, so it didn't have a.
It didn't have LAN, huh?
No.
No, it doesn't.
Nice. So that's a.
Jenks, you owe me a Coke.
That's an upgrade. You can.
Also, why do you need USB on that?
On this one?
That is a genuine question.
Well, I mean, USB Type-C, when did this come out? How many years ago?
It was back in, oh god, it was like, I was about to say 11 years ago. No, that was when Mario Kart 8 came out, like the very first one, the Wii U. No, this was like 8 or 9
years ago, so they went to USB Type-C, which is nice.
Yeah,
so,
kind of made a universal, I think.
Yeah.
A UN law or something, but.
Oh yeah.
Let's not go into politics.
No, let's not go into politics while we're here, right? So let's see the front of this thing.
Yeah.
So there's the front there, and look at that. It's even got vents on the bottom, unlike the old one. So, all right, you're gonna slide in the.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and slide it in. So it'll be right there.
Yeah. And then the old one will go in right
like
there.
That. Yeah.
Yeah. Now I did hear. Let's see. Yeah, there's a lot more wiggle room. Yeah. See.
Huh.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bad.
Well, no, it's not that bad. Maybe that was more of their sentiment this time around.
Yeah.
You got wiggle room. You got wiggle room there, and then you got wiggle room here.
To be fair, it's a lot easier to slide in.
2 USB port Type A's right there.
And to be fair, there is 2 of them on the side here.
Oh.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, they have the 2. See? There you go.
Yeah, so.
Nice job.
So, yeah.
But yeah, that's But yeah, that is a lot bigger. And it feels a little bit heavier too.
Oh, you have a scale out
Yeah,
here.
dude, I measure all my cases and my stuff, dude. You know me. The old Nintendo Switch on grams weighed in at 412 grams. So go ahead and pop on the new one.
So be
531, 32.
Yeah, 32. It's
Over
like
100.
Over 100.
100 grams.
It's
For a handheld, that's still...
It is. It feels like it's got the weight of like an iPad or something.
Yeah, it's nice.
It is really
The Joy-Cons, the thumbsticks are bigger. The thumbsticks are bigger than the original ones.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I wish I could remember what the screen size was. So the original was a 6.2, and this is a 7.9.
Yeah,
that's
a big difference.
That's a big boy.
Look at the size of that thing.
That's what she said.
7.9 LCD touchscreen with support for HDR up to 120 frames per second. That's another thing.
So,
The original one was like 30 or 60 frames.
Yeah, the original had 4 gigs of RAM. How much RAM does this have?
12 gigs of
RAM.
Wow.
From 4
to 12.
Yeah,
That is a pretty big leap.
That's a
generally
nice.
speaking.
That's a nice leap. It's got a NVIDIA processor.
Yes, I saw that.
Yeah, that's good.
One of the newer ones.
5,220 milliamp hour battery, 1080p up to 4K 60. Very nice. Some backwards compatibility and all that good stuff.
Oh, right. There's another thing with the game chat. A separate attachment you could buy is this camera. right here.
Oh yeah.
So,
The camera. You could buy the
Should be visible.
Yeah, you should be able to see it.
Yeah.
You can get a camera.
It's sold separately. I have seen video quality. It isn't the best, but it's actually pretty decent. If I'm being...
I've seen it too. It's like it's kind of potato cam-ish. You can
actually
live stream, and you can do it with friends, and then it'll put
it's a sort of
like green screen stuff where it shows stuff in the background.
Does a pseudo green screen where it crops everything out but you, which is.
Does this come with a card, or did we have to get you a card?
You're gonna have to give me a new one.
Why didn't you say something before we got it? I don't have one.
It's fine.
How are you gonna use it?
What? Standard 256 gigabytes.
Oh, okay.
It's like straight up in the console.
Okay.
But we will need to get it.
But I'll get you. Yeah.
Yeah. It's not a bad idea to do that.
Yeah.
All things considering, because games can get
They can be pretty big.
Call of Duty.
What the?
So yeah, guys, that's me and my son's unboxing of the Switch 2. Any last words?
No, not really. All I want to say is I'm gonna get it to Mario Kart World finally.
There you go. Now, if you want to see some more, want me to do some more content on the Switch 2, let me know down in the comments. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Peace and love. Say peace and love.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.